Good day, Pips Meg, and then today is June. Grabe, lagi ko nalilimutan yung date. June 28, and today I'm in the CR now because I'm properly prepped up because we will meet the Director General of the Institute, Dr. Matthew Morell. He'll meet the cluster team, the Impact, Evaluation, and Learning cluster today. So check it out. So he had the mid-year updates yesterday, like the address, and today he meets every cluster just to know their work. So it's like an informal thing that we will present something or have to know each other pretty well by cluster in each platform. And it will take about 1 hour or 2. It still depends on the situation. Get to know with the Director General and the staff. Check it out.
We have a sitting arrangement for you. Is it okay?
Hello, how are you? Good?
Sitting arrangement.
Is that okay for you?
Yeah.
A few minutes. Please just finish.
Add more pressure. Good morning.
Here today. The team is very excited and we're doing a lot of things here. And
The cluster of valve. Briefly.
okay, good. So I'll be highlighting some of the work that she's doing here. And allow me also to introduce the advisor to the team. He's sitting right there. So with this, so that we here at ERI know what has been known as of now in terms of ERI's experience and what has been known elsewhere, so that we don't repeat that. So what we can do is spend a little bit of time and revisit, the whole IOML before I move on to with the Morell. Yeah.
It's been designed around CRPs and then sensors are the overlay. So anyway, we can't fix that.
Yeah, I totally agree with you.
Managed by CGAR centers. So I was the one of the 7 fellows accepted around the world, and I was assigned to evaluate the impact of our own gene bank, the internationalized gene bank, but specifically
It's very conversant on PE at the moment, so partially
Partially
equilibrium
equilibrium,
for a jargon, and we need to address these kind of questions because, as Val rightly said, and you said yesterday, we're interested in trade-offs. So we need to look at the macro level, and we will increasingly do that. So this is on our work plan. The returns to investment. It is a question that we will need to discuss together more. Is returns on what? So returns on
So that wraps up the cluster meeting with the Director General, Dr. Matthew Morell. And I'm the only one left because it's my job to keep things tidy here in the conference room. It's also part of my job. I think we have good feedbacks from the Director General, and we emphasize some of our monitoring and evaluation learning, of course, and impact assessment. And yeah, he said it's a long way, it's just the beginning of something big, and hopefully in every project or programs being designed, M&E will always be at the first phase of the implementation. We are in the overall system of the process. The guys went good, Yuji was great, Donald was great. So I'll end the vlog here. Please do subscribe and see you on another vlog tomorrow. Bye-bye. See ya. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the upper left and on the lower right. Peace.